Welcome! Today I'm with OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. The first step is go to the Play Store, type in the search pool Green Apple Keyboard, Green Apple Keyboard, and we have to get this application. Tap to install. Wait a few seconds, and now we can open the application. Now tap on the enable in settings, tap on the switcher Green Apple Keyboard, activate and go back. Now click on the switch input method and select the English United States keyboard. That's finished. Now we can go back and, for example, open the messages and start to chatting with, for example, this one. And now if we will change the keyboard, we'll see that this keyboard is really close to the iPhone keyboard. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, press like, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.